Amazing is turning your lounge into a stadium. Debonair's Pizza. Try something amazing.
Hello and welcome to Itiske TV. My name is Ngulule Kongeo. I'm with Ubobo and Ukhaukhelo behind the camera. Thank you very much for joining us. Yesterday, we reached 300,000 subscribers, so we want to thank you so much for subscribing. In this video, as always, we pick up on a topic from the weekend, try to see it from different angles. Obvious one for this video, and the one that we're going to shoot with Ulindo as well. We'll talk about Chiefs and the coaching situation and the mess there with Ulindo, so please check that video out. In this video, we're revisiting a topic we spoke about a month ago, which is Cardoso. The last time we spoke about him, he was out of the MTN 8. This past weekend, he went out of the Carling knockout. So we'll talk about what are the permutations, who can replace him, can he stay longer at the club? Are the fans happy? So please make sure you like, you subscribe, and you comment on our content as well. The Carling knockout draw was also conducted yesterday. We saw that there's a repeat of Pirates and Magesi, and I'm sure Carling, the sponsor, will pray that Pirates goes all the way to the final because there's no big teams left with the exception, of course, of Orlando Pirates, and they will want a big team to remain there because that's how you sell tickets. Bobzit, thank you very much for joining us, sir.
Yes.
How are you this morning?
No, I'm good, Nkuleko. Yeah,
Sure.
I think ngibulise nokhawukhelo la hlezi khona.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, Nkuleko, let me just congratulate all the teams aba qualify ku last 8. Yeah, ngiphinde ngibongise naMajita to qualify ku
Last 16, yeah, well done. Well done.
I'm under 20.
We actually thought that they would, not thought that they would lose to America. America shy France in New Caledonia.
Yeah.
So, Mashai mathematics said to be sitting don't lose by more than 6 goals.
Yeah.
It turns out that they were going to win that game. So well done. I think it's the second time since 2009 that we got to the next round of AMA World Cup. Of course, Abanyana, they've done it. They went to the last 16 in 2023. Tina Amajita as men, whether it's under 19, under 20 or Bafana Bafana, we've struggled to go past the group stages. So it's the second time. Musarama Litswaka did it with Abukeme Terasmas,
Yeah.
Darren Keat and all those players, Gamakalo Mohocho. So this is another generation as well. So well done to those young men. Let's talk about the mood. You were at the stadium. It seems like you're always bringing them bad luck nowadays. Every time you go to the stadium, the coach gets knocked out. And then also there's this thing, Cardoso must go, because I saw a few videos circulating from the weekend as well. Cardoso must go, they want to throw the bus with something, but it wasn't as bad as the first one. How was it on Saturday?
Yeah, Nkuleko. Ayisiyohlala sikhuluma into eyi-1 Nkuleko. Yeah, man, Nkuleko. We all know ukuthi man, so far I don't think ukuthi ukhona umuntu ongathi ujabulile. Sure. Family Mamelodi Sundowns, the way team idlala ngakhona, we all know Sundowns, they want to win everything. But now mawungabheka isimo asikho mnandi and manje sekumele uqale uunderstand kuya ngama department ukuthi ama department ahlukile. Kunabantu abakwazi ukubekezela, kunabantu angeke bakwazi ukubekezela. Especially fans, is not easy to understand indaba ukuthi udila ngesikhathi. Abalandeli bafuna ama results at the end of the day. So if we are not getting the results, uba nenkinga especially kuma supporter. So into engayisho ukuthi bakhona bazo understand ukuthi i-mandate yaka coach ini udinga isikhathi esingakanani kuleyo mandate abamnikeze yona. Sinzwelwazi ukuthi Sundowns aime kakhulu i-CAF Champions League. So sibonile last season idlala i-CAF Champions League. Kumanje icalile ukudlala yocala ukudlala ama preliminary now ne team yase Nigeria. So kusho kona ukuthi abanye balindi ukubona mhlawumbe going forward ukuthi CAF Champions League ucoach usinikezana. I-league uyayidefenda yini na. Lama trophy awaluzile manje. So luze wonke ama trophy akhona manje. MTN 8 uyiluzile. Nedbank uyiluzile, iCarling uyiluzile so far. But the mandate team because
For the season is still alive in the Nedbank. If he stays long enough until January.
Yeah, but ukhumbula ukuthi uke wayiluza. Senikhulumela just ama trophy ake wabakhona yes against the Kaizer Chiefs nge 2-1 semi-final. So into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi ucoach Cardoso right now isima kuso asikho mnandi uma ungabheka the way ama results angakhona but the mandate njengoba ngikhuluma ukuthi yini yaka coach Cardoso esingayazi mhlawumbe nathi ukuthi yini but CAF Champions League is there ukuthi ay defend league because abanye abaqeqeshi ababathathu babekhona bawaluzile nawo lama trophy ngiyacabanga ukuthi akusinto mhlawumbe entsha kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ungaluza lama trophy because nabo bake bawaluza but
I remember with Peter, just on that point, Bob said, with the coach Peter, there was a time in 2016 he wins the CAF Champions League.
yes
And there's a time after that where banogumkhipha ku first round ye MTN 8. So maybe 2017, 2018, ngokulandelelana nje he was normally being knocked out of MTN 8 nabo Telkom knockout at that time. And I remember in one he loses. I was in Cape Town. I was still working in Cape Town for Soccer Laduma, and I was at the stadium. He loses to Cape Town City in those ones, and we were at the press conference, and Ati is not worried about those kind of competitions because here we want to hunt the big fish. Mamelodi Sundowns, we want the Champions League. But after that year, I think that there must have been a conversation now because I think in his last year before he joins Al Ahly, he ends up winning a treble in a league. Nama trophy I2, if I'm not mistaken. One being the last trophy of the season, that would have been a Nedbank Cup, and then another one as well. I don't know whether it was the MTN 8. And remember, Guti, at some point, Coach Pizzo, there was this perception of Guti, Yamhluli MTN 8 as well. And I think just to move on from that point, I want to build this, Guti, Yabangena nabo Coach Rulani, nabo Coach Mangobo, Guti, it is not going to be enough just to win the league. Yes. And I think that this comes also from the social media influence of a football yamanje ukuthi when Coach Rulani wins the league almost unbeaten, there was this tone from some of the fans of Sundowns ukuthi no, but that's not enough because Shai we're gonna bank happy Pirates and even under Coach Mangoba and Coach Rulani they only lost to Chiefs. Khona game abashaya 2-1 uDumsane Zumakora and Coach Mangoba was so pissed off because they were on the way to not be unbeaten. Up until that game, I think Sundowns scores first and then it flips. And then Chiefs scores 2 goals. Utumsane Zuma is one of the goal scorers. And Coach Mangoba was so furious. But also the tone from that point, Sundowns obviously wins the league, as they always are. But the tone from that moment was, but that's not enough. Like, you want more. And under Coach Rulani, again, he almost wins the league unbeaten. Ushaya Cape Town City last 30 minutes of the game, where Jaden Rhodes scores for Cape Town City. So that would have been a historic win in league. But because that would have been the only thing, it's like, no, Marabak Shaile with Champions League semi-final. So I think with the Sundowns, I even think that it's a lie, Uguti, it's only Champions League. I think when you win the Champions League, whoever wins the Champions League in the next 2 years, you're going to find out that even if the only thing I win is Champions League, there's going to be this thing of Mara Pirates yona ibambe out 2 ama trophy, Chiefs yona ibamba 1. So le yakho A1, none of my Champions League, it's a second star. It's going to be demeaned as well. And I think Sundowns and the management is getting to that point where they have to ask themselves this question. Uguti, what exactly do you want? Are you happy only being national champions? Maybe Mangu national champion, by African champion. Are those 2 things enough? And then you lose all 3 domestic trophies. And I think that's where Sundowns is at now.
Yeah, ngendlela usho ngakhona understand kahle. If you can check if ucoach mhlawumbe angayiwini CAF Champions League manje njengoba usho kuya ngokuthi mhlawumbe yini bekade nifuna kakhulu. Abalandeli njengoba ngisho badinga ama trophy. That's why ngithi sometimes when I lose the CAF Champions League win Nedbank or win mhlawumbe iCarling abanye bathi no at least it's net trophy.
That's not successful.
But ilento engisho yona ngithi the mandate yokuthi bamnikeze yona because angisho asibona izinto ngokufana. Some as long as kune trophy. Amanye awekho official ama trophy but
I mean those trophies are 4 matches.
Yeah, exactly.
You play 4 matches. That's not successful.
So that is why ngithi uma ungabheka ucoach Pitso de usho ngakhona ukuthi bekathi uma loser those trophies mhlambe MTN 8 athakana ndaba. It's because of beka prepare whatever prepare. Like now Coach Cardoso, I think isikhathi sokuthi na prepare for a CAF Champions League. I prepare. Uyabona uma izomhlula iCAF Champions League, I think maybe ila khona kungaba khona nensolo ukuthi okay sikunikize full season because now akanayo i full season. Ungene mhlambe wacoacha 75% of games last season. Now uqale ne season ucoach Cardoso. So sifuna ukubona le CAF Champions League ukuthi ingambe kaphi. So ngikhani la ungasho khona ukuthi man i-chance uyitholile ukuthi ungaprepare and you also sign some of the players la mhlambe bobadinga njengamanje uceda ukusayina abadlali abawu2. So I think kune space esi1
for another foreign player.
For a foreign player. So maybe uzoletha one player. So sibone ukuthi if
let me ask you, Bobsid. I
Yes.
know that you've said they must allow him
Yeah.
the full season.
Yeah.
I need to ask your opinion now.
Yes.
Have you changed that position? Are you still in that position after this past weekend? Are you still are you now somewhere in the middle, or are you still Khadoso must stay?
ngisase lapho Nkululeko ukuthi Khadoso must stay because umbuzo wami la ungamhambisa uKhadoso uyoletha ubani isizini already ikanje. The person ozomletha kusafuna azoqala manje I understand the team the way idlala ngakhona. It's a waste because naye uma uzomqasha manje should umqashela for the next season. And the next season kumele umnikeze I full season ukhona ukumbona naye ukuthi uyakhona ukuyenza lento because Nkululeko, let me tell you something. iSundowns icoachwe abo coach bala South Africa almost a decade. You understand? So kuyothatha isikhathi ukuthi naye lo I understand lento ekhona eteamini. I'm not saying kumele ayichange lento, but kunendlela ucoach iphilosophy adlala ngayo. Kuzofuna naye noma angaphumi kule style of play eSundowns, but kumele lethe some of the players abakhe laba basayinile bazo understand ngendlela yena adlala ngakhona. So for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's unfair ukuthi umhambise manje ungazi ukuthi uzoletha ubani.
Okay, that's your opinion now.
Yes, it's my opinion.
Now let's look at the club. What do you think is happening now in terms of AMA meetings? The fans were angry after the game. They wanted him again. And if he loses again, it's going to just go on. We're going to keep on talking about this until the point where he's just going to be fired. Now, let's look at that reality. What do you think the management is doing in terms of AMA meetings? Do you think that they're considering it, just at least Uyicabanga? And what do you think? Where do you think the fans are, the majority in terms of the stadium?
Yeah, I think Nkululeko uma sesikhuluma ngale sikhuluma la khona ifaka impilo zabanye abantu, ifaka mhlawumbe izimali zabanye abantu especially abalandeli ukuthi bahambe bayibukela iMamelodi Sundowns uma idlala ba expect ama results are positive. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi management konke lokho ikubhekile, especially lento ukuthi always ucoach mangabe mhlawumbe uyaluza or uwina ngendlela mhlawumbe abalandeli bangekho happy then bayo attack mhlawumbe umqeqeshi kwamanje sibona abadlali beMamelodi Sundowns ne-technical team ayisakhona ukuza kuma next to ama supporter bazocula into abayijwayele.
Normally after the game they sing, yeah.
But now kushona ukukutshela something.
So abayenza
no abazange bayenza abalandeli azange bafune bavele nje bathi no si sharp, you understand. So into efana nale chokona ukuthi management ngiyacabanga ukuthi ithathele ekhanda Nkululeko into efana nale because ekugcineni uma ngabe abalandeli baloko benza so awazi ukuthi ekugcineni ini into abazoyenza because you know ukuthi asicabangi ngokufana uma sesima stadium, you understand. So ngicabanga ukuthi bayithatha serious Nkululeko indaba abalandeli and angeke nabo.
So you think the management is sitting down now thinking about what to do?
Obvious, because lento yenzeka behind the scene Nkululeko, especially kubalandeli after the match akusinto akusisithombe sihle ekumele management ukuthi ngathi ihappy ngaso. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nayo la ihleli khona imanagement ibheka izinto esifana nalezi so ilungisa kanjani lenkinga efana nale yini mhlambe ezoyenza ukuthi labantu labangasaphindi mhlambe benze izinto esifana nalezi akusisithombe sihle but ukhumbule ukuthi nabo benziswa mhlambe abanye uthando lwale team abanayo because bafuna team iwin at the end of the day and basuka endlini zabo isikhathi sabo imali yabo kuhamba be-attend ama-game but I'm not promoting i-violent ukuthi kumele ukuthi bayenze izinto esifana naleza because of they're using their own money but what I'm trying to say ukuthi management ngiyacabanga ukuthi nako lokho ikubhekile.
They're getting worried. Maybe upresident naye kuCAF is getting phone calls ukuthi kuyasha la ngaphakathi endlini kuyasha.
Obvious Nkululeko ezinye zezinto kumele uzilungise before zimoshakala kuba worse, you understand. Lento ilokhu iqala kancane iyogcina seyiba worse. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi management kumele nayo icabanga into efana nale.
Do you think that, because I've been unimpressed with the attendance as well. Yes, bashayela izandla bakwazi ukuya stadium by a supported club. Well done to them. But do you think also the ones that are not going now, is it because of that? Because the team has been an extraordinary team for such a long time. They went to the final of the CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
And then now, kusaqala season, but you can see that the number is not there. It's not enough.
Yeah, it's difficult to ukukhuluma ngenamba Nkululeko because to be honest with you, Sundowns supporters ama games awa attend.
Because bayayithanda i-semi-final ye-Champions League. Ungabanika Al Ahly i-semi-final ye-Champions League. Even I remember last season, benina game midweek about 3 p.m. But Loftus begcwele, like they love these big matches.
Yeah, sometimes bayawa attend because lama game ukhuluma ngawo inokuthi management kuzongenwa mahali stadium. The fact ukuthi bathi free entrance sizo attenda in numbers. You understand? Angeke ngithi mhlawumbe kwamanje isibalo ngiya-understand abanye vele bakhona laba be-attend ama-games. I know some of them aba-attend
They're not
kwamanje
going because they're unhappy
bathi-
of the
we
play.
understand, yes. So yes, iyakubangela nako lokho ukuthi inamba ithi, but we all know ukuthi Sundowns supporters we don't attend games kuleyo. So hile nto mhlawumbe ongathi manje ugcina ungakhona ukubona ukuthi it's because of some are angry because of i-Sundowns ayidlali kahle or ibanikeza ama-results or vele ilaba bajwayele ukunga-attend ama-games, so ugcina ungasakhona ukuhlukanisa. But inamba yona njengoba usho ukwehla yehlile because some of them, yes, they are not attending games since vele i-Sundowns idlala de idlala ngakhona.
Yeah. Do you foresee a situation? Let's wrap it up now.
Yeah.
Because we have to get to some point with this conversation, although we don't have all the facts. But I was thinking, we were discussing it before we started shooting, Wuti, where can they go next if they fire Cardoso? And I'm thinking, okay, you've always had a good bench with about Coach Mangoba, about Coach Rulani. They were on the bench under Coach Pitso.
Yeah.
That's why it was easy to go to the bench itself when the coach leaves. Can you foresee a situation where Coach Steve Komphela is the head coach of Sundowns?
I don't think so, Nkuleo. Because Coach Steve ngiyacabanga ukuthi ulapha kune role yakhe ayidlalayo. Especially he is a leader, he's a father, especially kumajita. Mina I like the way asebenza ngakhona, especially to motivate abadlali, ukukhuluma nabo. Remember ukuthi the time baleta ucoach Steve, yila khona i-dressing room i-Sundowns bengekho right. Beyidinga mhlambe leyo leader engakwazi mhlambe ukulungisa lesimo esikhona.
Yeah, he came as Coach Mangoba's assistant.
Exactly.
Again, after Coach Rulani left.
Yeah. So I don't think ukuthi as a head coach angaba khona. Okay, maybe if mangabe bathi nangu Coach Cardoso.
Mhlambe bangamcela for a couple of
interim
weeks.
ukuthi mhlambe okay bamba kancane
Sure.
sisafuna umqeqeshi ozo replace. Yes, but ukuthi angaba mhlambe head coach of Mamelodi Sundowns, I don't think so, because the pressure ingenhla Nkuleko kuMamelodi Sundowns. Ingenhla, even though ubona support incane, but kune pressure ekhona kuleya team. Kufuna uwina everything. Yonke into kumele iwine kuMamelodi Sundowns. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi yena ube nesikhathi man, but akusisikhathi eside lapha ku-Sundowns after Coach Pitso left. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi for interim, yes, but ukuthi angaba head coach of Mamelodi Sundowns for, I don't think so.
All right, we're going to wrap up very soon. I need to ask Ubobo who he thinks is the favorite. We calling knockout. Please make sure you subscribe, you comment, and you like our content as well. I want you to engage on the idea of where does Sundowns go next? If you're a Sundowns fan, where do you want your team to go next in terms of coaching? Do they get rid of Cardoso? What do they put in place there? Maybe could they make amends with the Coach Pitso Mosimane? There was already a court case and there was an appeal as well from Coach Pitso Musimane's side. Maybe just the president making a phone call to say, let's squash this. You don't have to pay us the 7 million, whatever the amount is, come and coach. But if he comes and coach, then there's people behind the scenes that were testifying in court as well. So it's very complicated. They were testifying in court, but they're going to have to work together with him now. So there's that complexity. Or do they just move on to Coach Pitso Mosimane because he's a black South African coach who's extremely talented, an African Champions League winner multiple times. Perhaps where he comes from, which is us, which is who we are, there are other brains we could then go and extract. But where are they? Because they're not winning in the Betway Premiership. Coach Pitso Mosimane built his name by winning at SuperSport United. Where's another black coach who's winning elsewhere in an unknown club? There aren't too many of them. Coach Rulani Mokoena, of course, is also upstairs in the north, MC Alger. So then the Sundowns then go overseas in Europe. So that's an interesting one. Please make sure you engage on that thought. Bobsit, let's wrap it up then. Last 2-3 minutes. Ikaling, they have a problem.
Yeah.
Their tournament always just, I'm a favorite was, so it's Gwawina Stellenbosch and the Ireland TS Galaxy final.
Yeah.
It was difficult to get people to go to the stadium. I don't know if they got 10,000 people to get there for that final. Last time, at least Beokona, when we Sundowns, Ushai Magies.
Yeah.
But still, Magies is a small team. So even if they win, Gule All-Star game, there's not much interest because it's a small team. Now, Ikaling will say, we do wish that Pirates, you go all the way to the final.
Yazi Nkuleko ngihlala ngisho ngithi le team le trophy ithandwa ama-team amancane.
Yeah.
Mara yazi ngibheka le Pirate le this season Nkuleko ngathi ithethe le form last season yayi-multiplier kabili.
Yeah.
Because of the depth abanayo. So if Orlando Pirates izodlala the way idlala ngakhona ibonise le hunger abanayo, I think this time they can win it. ngendlela ngibona ngakhona, and I wish Orlando Pirates ukuthi ingafika kuma-finals so that at least sikwazi man ukuthi sibe nalento mhlawumbe ezosidonsa, because I'm not saying
sell the
we
tournament.
understand exactly. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates if izobonisa the way ngibona ngakhona, you know, babonakala bane-fighting spirit.
Yeah.
I understand. And uma ungabheka aba-concede right now, so i-game we win unga-concede.
But Uchina on 8 matches or something. I read something this morning. Uchina hasn't conceded in 8 matches.
If you don't concede, you will win games.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, you lose a game because you are conceded. So for the Pirates, ngendlela ngibona idlala ngakhona, the way inga conceding ngakhona, I think inga my favorite this time kule tournament. Even though ngazi ukuthi inokuthatha ama team amancane, but the Pirates I think inga my favorite this
All right,
time.
nice one. Thank you for Bobzit. We'll come back on Friday with Bafana against Zimbabwe at 6 p.m. It will be Bobo, Junior Kanyetso, Vilagazi, Lindo Pep, myself, Ushane. The whole team will be here on Friday. What do you think of the favorites of the Kali knockout? Please let us know on the comment section. Itiski TV, Itiski Times, also sweating. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.